Welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. I'm pretty sure this is some of the keyboard switches or something, the parts, because my son's building the customized keyboard. So let me go ahead and open this up. Oh wow. So these are the keyboard switches, and here are the price. You got the item description. Wow, just the switches is $45.50 plus $5.43 for the tax. So total is $50.93. So it's pretty quiet. I think some of this you need to put like a lubricant to make it more buttery smooth, but so yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below to see if you guys ever build a customized keyboard. See you guys on the next one. Peace.